It's the magic of math here, and today we are going to be multiplying a monomial by a binomial, applying the distributive property and the commutative property to simplify an algebraic expression. Here's our question today. For all real values of x and y, which of the following is equivalent to this expression? So we have negative 3x multiplied by the quantity negative y, add 4. And we're given 4 expressions to choose from. Here's where I'd like you to pause the video, do your best work, and then come back to see my work and explanation. Good luck. Welcome back. We're going to begin by understanding that we have 3 terms in this expression: negative 3x, negative y, and positive 4. We cannot simplify these parentheses any further since the 2 terms inside are not like terms. We have a variable term, negative y, and a constant term, positive 4. Therefore, we need to apply the distributive property, which states that we're going to multiply each term inside the parentheses by the factor outside the parentheses. So our factor a outside and our quantity in the parentheses b plus c is going to be a times b add a times c, and that will be equivalent, and we can begin to identify our answer choice. So let's distribute. We're going to start by taking our factor negative 3x outside the parentheses, and we're going to multiply it to that first term, negative y. So let's write that down. Negative 3x multiplied by negative y, and we're going to add our product of our factor outside, negative 3x, multiply to our second term inside the parentheses, positive 4. So negative 3x multiplied by 4. Now we're ready to multiply our terms. Negative 3x multiplied by negative y, a negative times a negative is a positive. So positive 3xy. Now we're going to add to it the product of negative 3x and 4. Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12 times x, negative 12x. So you can see that all of our expressions here do not start with 3xy. So let's review another property. In algebra, we have the property, the commutative property, which applies to addition, which we're adding here. The order in which you add 2 values does not change the sum. So a term A plus term B is equivalent to term B plus term A. We just have to be mindful of the sign of our term. So that tells me that I can reverse the order of these 2 terms and it's equivalent. So let's reverse it. We're going to start with negative 12x and add 3xy. Now let's go look at our answer choices. So we can see we have a negative 12x, so it's going to be C or D, and we're adding 3xy. So that is answer choice D. Negative 12x add 3xy is our answer, and that is equivalent to the given expression after we have applied the distributive property and the commutative property. And there you have it. That is how you multiply a monomial by a binomial using the distributive property and the commutative property. Thanks for joining me today at The Magic of Math, where we continue to master math one video at a time. Have a great day.